Okay, here we are with the Ghibli, and this car, the body reconstruction is pretty well done. You can see that we've reshaped both these corners. It's straight across the front now. It's straight along the sides and the roof. When we go to the back of the car, it's straight across the sides. There's no more rippling of the roof, and needless to say, there's no more rust holes in the car. Now, if you step back to being in school and you remember looking at the blackboard in calculus class and math class, well, here you can see that we have all of our formulas and calculations for figuring out the shape of the body written on the back of the trunk panel, and it all worked. It's all fitted together. So I just say you gotta check this out, because you won't be able to really appreciate this when the car is painted. You know, the paint hides all the beautiful metalwork, but this, again, there's no filler here. This is just smooth, beautifully shaped, beautifully curved steel. Really, really work to be proud of.